the number of oxygen plants with regard to the state as a whole, where installation is going on, are 6 in number. A 600 LPM plant at Civil Hospital Shillong. This plant, as is a very big plant, is reaching Shillong on the 25th, which will be airlifted from Delhi. In the meantime, because of the want of oxygen in Shillong Civil Hospital, the government has arranged for 6 generators of 45 liters per minute each to be installed at Civil Hospital, which was done and running from this last Monday. And this is catering to 25 COVID beds in the COVID wing of the Civil Hospital Shillong, and that too on high flow. That means a very high consumption of oxygen, and this is being catered to by the 6 generators. Another plant has come up in Nongpo. The machine has reached. It is under the stage of installation. The piping has already been done for the Civil Hospital Shillong. Now what is needed, just to connect the pipe from the generation plant to the manifold room, and from there oxygen can be distributed accordingly to all the wards. Another plant on the way now, as we speak now, is on the way from Guwahati Airport, which had been airlifted yesterday from Delhi. That is for RPHS Hospital. This, as soon as it reaches today, installation will start from tomorrow. Piping has already been done, and we expect that by early part of next week, these machines will be up and running. The plants at Ganesh Das Hospital will be up and running by tomorrow. All these 3 plants, Civil Hospital Shillong, Ganesh Das and RPHS Hospital, are from the PM Care, Government of India. Then we have got these plants which has come from UNDP, that is Juai, Nongpo and Tura. Juai, the machine has already reached. Tura also is on the way. I think by now it must have reached. All these pipings, everything are going on in full swing. They are working 24/7, and all these plants now we hope that they'll be up and running by early part of next week. Another plant is coming up from the state government, that is at Clearyat. We will have another plant there, that is a very large plant. One more at Sauli. And from UNICEF, all the other hospitals will be provided with such small plants so that they can cater to the oxygen requirement as and when required. Besides these, the government has come up with 2 cryogenic tanks to be set up. One at Shillong, that is at Sauli. Work is in full swing, is going on in full swing 24/7. We are expected that this plant will be up and running by 15th of June, latest. 15th of June latest. And this plant, cryogenic oxygen plant, will cater to the cylinders in the state and is expected to deliver 1,000 cylinders refilling capacity in a day. This is a 13 KL plant at Shillong, and in Janjal, Tura, another 20 KL plant is coming up, and we expect that tank to be here by 2 weeks' time. Within 2 weeks' time, site preparation has already been done. Now we have to do only the civil works, which is going on, that also in full swing, and that also we expect that it may come up earlier than the one in Shillong, and this will cater to 2,000 cylinders per day. And we expect that these plants will be sufficient to give continuous supply of oxygen both to Garo Hills region and the Khasi, Jaintia and Ribohai district region. So over and above these, there are small, these 45 LPM plants, which we expect to set up in the CHCs, if the necessity requires. Now we have seen that the 45 LPM plants, within 1 hour we can set them up, only provided we get the machine. So if it is necessary, then these other plants also will be set up. This is the status of the oxygen plants and the cases from my side.